Model, 2015 Citroen Dispatch HDI 90 L1H1 1000. Enterprise needs clutch replacing. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 107,266. MOT, the 2nd of August 2024. Engine, 1560 cc DV6 UCA. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: we managed to get this started, but the starter motor is definitely on the way out. Engine sounds perfect, but it has no drive. Suspected clutch failure. Grin. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Features: 0 former keepers, electric windows, air con, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £4,475 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.